Portland's geographic location on the West Coast offers opportunities to decrease both time and cost by reducing transit time from key U.S. and Canadian manufacturing, agricultural, and mineral-producing regions. Portland is a natural gateway for the cargoes and commodities generated in the North American heartland. From a Portland location, you will find competitive and unconstrained import and export access to a 465-mile inland waterway, the second largest in North America. The Columbia and Snake River system provides access to grain elevators and dry and liquid bulk facilities. This inland waterway complements the highway and rail network in our region. Consistent barge operations to and from upriver facilities allow for reliable and cost-effective inland transit. Portland's local rail connections into the Terminal 4 bulk facilities provide efficient moves from rail to ship to your international destinations. The connection for Class 1 railroads is direct into Terminal 4 with no intervening short lines and many grade separations. Transit time from Terminal 4 to the ocean is 6 to 8 hours in a 43-foot channel. A state-of-the-art river forecast system is used by the pilots to assure timely transits while maximizing payload. The advantage of a West Coast sailing from Portland to Asian markets reduces total transit time by nearly half compared to most other Gulf and East Coast port locations, providing significant freight rate savings. Terminal 4, a 262-acre facility, offers a new waterfront rack system for liquid bulk pipelines, with 25 acres currently available for lease. The terminal offers an existing deepwater berth with a design depth of 40 feet and dock length of 512 feet, capable of handling Handymax and Panamax bulk vessels. Existing tenants, Toyota, Kinder Morgan, and International Raw Materials take advantage of the inland rail network and UP's nearby Barnes Yard for efficient switching and rail services. If you are looking for a partner that is accessible, reliable, agile, and offers you room to grow, look no further than the Port of Portland. We look forward to working with you and helping you build your success.